Dreaming of turning 15,000 into 1 crore? Join me as we explore a strategic investment plan that can help you achieve this ambitious goal. Hey there, aspiring investors. Ever wondered if it's possible to grow your investment from 15,000 to a whopping 1 crore? Today, we're going to unveil a strategic investment plan that could turn this dream into a reality. First things first, let's set some realistic expectations. While turning 15,000 into 1 crore is ambitious, it's not impossible with the right strategy and time horizon. By setting a clear goal and understanding that this is a long-term investment, you can stay focused and committed to your strategy. Now, let's dive into the investment strategy that could help you achieve this impressive growth. To start, consider investing a portion of your 15,000 in high-growth potential assets, such as stocks or cryptocurrencies. These investments carry higher risk, but offer the potential for substantial returns. Next, allocate a portion of your investment to safer options, such as mutual funds or fixed deposits, to provide stability and preserve capital. Once you've implemented your investment strategy, it's crucial to monitor your portfolio regularly and make adjustments as needed. Keep a close eye on your investments and don't hesitate to make changes if your goals or market conditions change. In conclusion, turning 15,000 into 1 crore is an ambitious goal that requires careful planning, strategic investing, and a long-term outlook. By following a smart investment strategy, staying disciplined, and remaining patient, you can increase your chances of reaching your financial milestones. So, are you ready to start your journey from 15,000 to 1 crore? Thanks for joining me on this exploration of investment strategies. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights on building wealth. Until next time, happy investing.